guys, welcome back to Vlogtober Day 3, October 3rd. If you are new, what Juliet and I are doing is we are counting down to Halloween. So we are doing 31 videos in 31 days. Grammi died, which is my mom. Her grandma has curated Vlogtober for us. So all of the gifts and stuff that we open are from her. She's wrapped everything. She's labeled it by day. It's so much fun, but it's so much work. So thank you, Grammi die, for curating this so many years for us.
Yeah.
So today we have two fun gifts in this cute candy corn paper, and I think we should do the little one first.
Yeah.
So you do it. And these are both, oh, this says Megan and Juliet. This says family?
This is Megan.
Megan and Juliet. Okay, well, it's really anybody. Is it straws?
I think it is.
Nice. Oh, cute. They have little cappers or caps.
Oh, look.
Oh my gosh, there's a cute little cat. There is a black skull. There is a ghost. I think that's a ghost, yep.
I want to give this one to Dad.
And then a heart that says drop dead, but it's like those Valentine sweethearts. These are cute. So stinking cute, and they are long. That's awesome. All right, I'll let you open this one, even though I'm dying to.
Oh, it's gonna be good. It's in a box.
Oh, there's no, I thought maybe there's something on the front. Yeah, you like random white boxes. Oh!
Well, I think it's...
Is it two different things?
It might be. I think it's cups.
Is it? Is that one yours?
I think it might be. Yeah, this one's yours.
Okay, you go first. We'll go one at a time. Oh, that's fun!
Look at it!
That is so cute. Spin it so they can kind of see, and then show the top. It's very glittery. I think mine's completely different, because look at the shape. Okay, so I'm going to open mine. I got a skull!
Whoa, yours is so cool.
Oh, it's like almost like a skull disco ball. That is so fun. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I wonder where she got these. These are cute. Here, we'll hold them up together. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Fun. We will be drinking out of these ASAP. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh, awesome. So this was an awesome day 3. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye.